Gallbladder pain is one of the most common clinical problems we deal with. Gallbladder pain in general is caused by stones which have developed within the gallbladder, and the normal function of the gallbladder to squeeze and push out bile into the intestine is impeded by the gallstones, which not only cause high pressure in the gallbladder but also cause irritation in the gallbladder. Gallbladder pain is usually in the right upper abdomen or in the middle of the upper abdomen, just under the breastbone, and can radiate towards the back. The gallbladder squeezes and pushes out bile in response to any food, but in particular in response to fatty foods, things like fried foods, meat that have a fat content in them. So if you're having gallbladder symptoms, then reducing the oral intake and the amount of fatty foods in the diet can significantly reduce the pain. Ultimately, when gallbladder pain is usually caused by gallstones, and when gallstones cause gallbladder pain, it means that you're going to need surgery to remove the gallbladder. Again, one of the most common outpatient operations that we do in the United States using laparoscopy or minimally invasive surgery.